Hello everyone, welcome back to Cookphilia. Today's recipe is Begun Bahar. Begun Bahar is a Bengali dish. Basically, this is a vegetarian dish with onion and garlic. So, let's see the recipe. For Begun Bahar, we will need eggplant sliced, onion sliced, garlic, cloves, cashew nuts, green chilies, slitted green chilies, yogurt, and fresh coriander leaves. And for the spices, we need salt, sugar, turmeric powder, nigella seeds and dried red chili, cumin powder, red chili powder. That's it. Now soak the cashew nuts with some water and make a slurry with red chili powder and cumin powder with a little bit of water. Mix this and keep aside. Now chop the fresh coriander leaves for garnishing. Now marinate the eggplant slices with salt and turmeric powder and mix this well. Don't forget to add some sugar to avoid the hardness of the eggplant. Allow this for marination for about 5 to 6 minutes. Take the garlic cloves and the soaked cashew nuts, add a little water and make a smooth paste. The paste will look like this. Now heat some mustard oil in a heated pan. Spread the mustard oil throughout the pan to avoid sticking. When the oil is smoking hot, then place the eggplant slices on it and fry them as lightly as you can. Eggplant slices should be fried very slightly. That means each side for 30 to 45 seconds. After frying the eggplant slices, take it out in a bowl and keep aside. After frying the eggplant slices, this should not be mushy. It should hold its shape. After frying, in the pan there should be 3 to 4 tablespoons of leftover heated oil. In that, add 2 dried red chilies and 1 teaspoon of nigella seeds or kalo jeera as foron, followed by 2 to 3 slitted green chilies. And when this crackles, add slices of onions. This recipe needs a lot of onions. After giving the sliced onions, stir fry this very well till this looks golden brown. Stir very frequently for even frying. While frying the onions, don't use any salt or sugar or any substances like this, as this will result mushy onion fries, which you don't want. When the onion fries looks like this, keep half of this aside. We will use this later on. To the remaining fried onions, add the cashew nuts and garlic paste and mix this well. At this time, the flame will be high and stir very frequently to avoid sticking, as this contains cashew nut paste. Now add the slurry of cumin powder and red chili powder and mix this very well. Add turmeric powder, salt and sugar. Now stir again very frequently and very vigorously, as we want super braised spices. After frying the spices for 4 to 5 minutes, now reduce the flame and add yogurt. Now for the smoother gravy, continuously stir this for about 4 to 5 minutes, and after that make the flame high again. After continuously frying the spices for 4 to 5 minutes, the spices looks like this, and it's the time to add water. Add water and mix this very well. Frequently stir the gravy and let it come to a boil. When there is a rolling boil in the gravy, it's time to add the slices of fried eggplants. Gently and carefully place the eggplant fries into the gravy and mix this with individual care. As the eggplants are previously fried, so we don't have to boil this for so long. As the gravy contains cashew nut paste, you have to scrape the spices from the outer side of the pan, and this is the time you should add slitted green chilies. Again stir well. Sim the flame and cover this for about 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, open the lid and give it a stir. Now add the previously fried onions. Give it a good stir. Remember, you have to stir this gravy very carefully because we want our eggplants to be in shape. Now sprinkle half of that chopped coriander leaves and let infuse the flavor of this coriander leaves to this gravy. Give a light stir. After stirring, cover this and switch the flame off. After 30 seconds of resting time, your begun bahar is finally ready to be served. Take it out in a bowl. For the final garnish, sprinkle some more chopped coriander leaves and you are good to go to the table. So guys, please like the video and share your thoughts in comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.